want to take the two post-alveolar fricatives. The first one of them is sh. Sh. Now this sound is usually spelled as sh. Most sh produces this sound. Most words with sh produce this sound. So let us take our examples for the sh. We can have shop. Then we have usher. Then we can have clash. These words all have the sound we are considering. We can add more, such as bishop. Then after that spelling, another spelling that we have here is the T. But usually in a combination such as ION, with the ION not being part of the sound. That is why I put them in bracket. They help to make the sound. They help to label it, so to say, or ensure that it produces the sound. But they have their own role to play in terms of their own sound they produce. So we can have a word like nation. So you find out that the sound is there in the word nation, and then we can have other words such as rotation. Rotation is also there. So, and most of the words, if not all, nearly all of the words with TION will produce for you. We'll have that sound. We'll have the sound we're considering as sh. You want to take note of that. And then any other spelling we want to look at, yes. We also have spelling S. Spelling S also produces this sound. Take note. We have sugar. We have mansion. Okay. You won't likely have it at the end, but you have it initially and medially. So let's add some more. We have sure. Alright, so you can see we have 3 spellings already. We still have more to go. This later I'll draw your attention to this mansion. Let's make it clearer so that you can see it. I'll draw your attention to the mansion. Okay, so that's you have to note, because you will find out other words with SION, yet you won't have the sound sh in them. So you want to draw the line, you want to see the differences, and then be able to handle them when you meet them. Now, after that spelling, what other spelling I'm going to take? We can take double S. Double S can also produce the sound such as in passion. Passion. We have mission. We have pressure. So in this case, we have double S. Now you will take note of the ION and ION. Then you also take note of this word pressure. I'll draw attention to this later on so that you can see a slight difference between this and another word. Okay, so we have seen about 4 spellings, 4 spellings to be precise. Any other one? Yes, we still have spelling C. Spelling C is also, they can give you this sound, such as in ocean and ancient. Alright, so these 2 words have the C producing the voiceless post-alveolar fricative. Okay, so we have seen letter C now. Which other one are we going to move on to? We also have SCH as in shadow. But you take note, this is British pronunciation. The American pronunciation is schedule. That means the she is no longer there again. The CH becomes k. We want to note that. So that is an example of SCH producing sh. Then we have CH. CH such. Now for CH to produce this sound, now most of the words you have as CH producing this sound actually are words of French origin. Most of them. So we have the examples here that we need to. We have champagne. We have chiffon. We have chauffeur. We have machine. So these are some examples in this category. Now, is that all? No, we still have SC. We have SC such as conscience, then omniscient. This word is not omniscient, omniscient. Okay, omniscient with SC as sh. So we have written on the board 8 spellings for this sound. So you can see that it has quite a number of spelling patterns, and you want to take note of that. But is that all? No, we have other spellings still. We have other spellings still. We have X. Okay, I think only one more left. We have that, and that is luxury. Not luxury. This word is not luxury, but luxury. Luxury. Okay, so that comes under this. We move on to another sound, but take note of these words under this. These are French words having CH as this sound instead of the affricate that usually it operates for. So when we get there, I'll draw your attention to that again, but right now, also take note of them in view of being able to articulate them properly. And then of course you can learn more examples, get more examples and confirm them in order for you to also learn use those ones properly.